Hi, Purple Spellers. Happy Friday. So your words this week are called compound words. Everyone say that with me. Compound words. A compound word is made up of two shorter words. Okay, so you take the two smaller words, and when you put them together, it creates a compound word. So these are some compound words. So your headers this week, you're sorting, you are basically writing the compound word, and then you're breaking apart the word into the two smaller words. And then when you put those two smaller words together, it creates this compound word. Okay, so let's talk about the word pancake. Our smaller word is, a pancake is something you eat for breakfast. It's flat, and you hear the short A vowel sound in pan. You hear the long A vowel sound in cake. Why is that a long A vowel sound? Right, because that silent E on the end makes A say its name. An. That's short A vowel sound. Okay, so a pan is something you cook in, and a cake, you know what a cake is. It's something you might eat for your birthday. But you put the two words together, it creates this compound word, pancake, which is a flat breading that you eat for breakfast. Okay, let's look at the word sunset. Our compound word is sunset. Smaller words, sun, short U vowel sound, and set, Is that long E or short E vowel sound? Right, short E vowel sound. You don't hear E's name. So the sun is bright and it's hot. In this, you could set the table. Something sets, falls down. So sunset, you watch the sunset, you watch the sun go down. Outside. Smaller word is out. And then side. So you go out, like out the door, out into the side. Outside. Myself. My. So that's my toy. And then self. Yourself. Baseball. So in baseball, you run the bases. So there is at least one base, like home base, and you use a ball. Baseball. Maybe. May I go outside? Maybe. Cannot. Now this one is commonly misspelled. Cannot is one word. Can not. You cannot go outside. If I was making this a contraction, it'd be can't. Cannot. There's two N's. Nothing. Nothing seems right that we can't see each other. No and thing. Bedtime. So bedtime, there is a time to go to bed. It's called your bedtime. Backpack. So on your back, you carry a pack, which is like a bag. So you put the two smaller words together, creates backpack. Sunshine. So we talked about the short U vowel sound in sun. And shine, it's bright. You hear I's name because of the silent E on the end. Someone, some, and one. Classroom. Our class has a room. Playground. So the playground, you play on the ground. Playground. Okay, so you're sorting by the compound words. I want you to make sure you're thinking about the long A vowel sounds and the short, not long A. I want you to make sure you're thinking about the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. So, and then I also want you to think about where you hear those vowel sounds. Do you hear it at in the second syllable, like in pancake? I hear that long A vowel sound in the second syllable. Do you not hear a long vowel sound? Or do you hear it in the first syllable, like in baseball? So think about that too when you're practicing your words. Have a great weekend, Lakers.